My line will go silent, but I'm still here. Please do not hang up.
Let me set the scene to explain what this man went through before we found him. Mount Taranaki. With the first 4 kilometres a steady uphill hike, followed by a rock climb through the gorge, then up the stairs, followed by incredibly slippery scree, then to climb up what they call the Lizard, across a basin of ice, to finish the last scramble to the summit. It was after all of this, and on the way back down the mountain, in steep rocky terrain, we could see someone in the distance, unsteady and falling amongst the rocks. As we drew closer, just out of reach, the gentleman slipped and fell once more. It was here we started to realise his fatigue. With his body sunburnt and scraped from multiple falls, he insisted he was okay. Determined to continue unassisted to reach his friends, waiting 100 metres ahead at the end of the Lizard section. Together with his climbing party, we discussed what we saw him go through and the dangers of him continuing. Then it happened.
Oh shit.
The man fell and hit his head on a rock, cutting it open. After cleaning out and covering the wound, it was decision time. Do we call for help? It didn't feel right. Continuing meant more falls. We weren't even halfway down. More rocks and drop-offs still ahead. The next fall, he may need more than just a bandage. 3 p.m. We dialed 111. We were informed the helicopter was busy with another job at the moment, but once free, they would come to us. Here we sat, waiting for a helicopter to appear. Then, hope evaporated, as we heard the helicopter come close, then disappear. The temperature continued to drop and it started to rain. The man's condition worsened. We called back 111.
And my line will go silent, but I'm still here. Please do not hang up.
They explained why the helicopter came and left.
There's an issue that they need to have like pretty much clear skies almost to be able to get up to that mountain.
Yeah.
So obviously mountain conditions change all the time, so hopefully fingers crossed the cloud goes away.
Yeah.
But there is a team coming in. Do call back 111 if he deteriorates further.
Yeah.
Then the bad weather rolled in. The cloud cover and the cold rolled over us. Wearing everything we had to conserve our own heat, we took turns snuggling to keep the man warm. Then, the weather started to clear and our hopes started to rise again. The moment we had been waiting 5 hours on the mountain for was here. You'll be glad to know the man is out of hospital and doing well. A few staples in his head, dehydrated and fatigued, but no serious injuries. He's back home recovering.